Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Xbox Series X AR filter for your iPhones on Instagram. This will also work on Android as well if you have Android. Basically, what it's going to do is it's going to make an Xbox appear in your location wherever you're located through your camera. It's actually pretty cool. All you have to do to get the filter is just go over to Instagram and open that up. Once you're on Instagram, you want to go to the search bar and just search for an account called SN. And then search. Then just click on the first account right here. And then just go over to the filters, and then you will see the Xbox filter here when it loads up. Once all you gotta do is click on it. And then of course you could try it out here, or you can go ahead and save it to your save filters and then use it whenever you would like. Obviously, if you want to put this on any other social media, you just have to record the video of yourself with it on the Instagram application, and then you can go ahead and save it to your camera roll and post it to Snapchat or TikTok or any other social media. But it's really simple and easy to do. You can just save it right here or try it out and you're good to go. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this filter. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.